Welcome everyone. Get ready to dive into the vibrant world of PTVA schools. Digital Darpan is here, showcasing the amazing events, happenings, and achievements of our students, teachers, and staff. From cultural festivals to sports tournaments, academic competitions, and community service initiatives, we've got it all covered. Stay updated on the latest news, happenings, and stories from Palitilak Vidyalaya Association schools. Let's begin with this month's Sanskrit Subhashit.
अभ्यासेनैव विद्या स्यात् शीलौ स्यात् संयमेन च विद्याशीलसमायुक्तो विद्यार्थी शोभते सदा. अर्थात नियमित अभ्यासाने ज्ञान प्राप्त होते आणि संयमाने चारित्र्य शिस्तबद्ध होते. असा ज्ञानी व चारित्र्यवान विद्यार्थी नेहमीच विद्वत सभेत शोभून दिसतो.
PTVA schools celebrated Kranti Jyoti Savitribai Phule Jayanti on 3rd and Swami Vivekananda and Rajmata Jizabai Jayanti on 12th of this month, celebrating visionaries who inspire young minds. PTVA's English medium schools, Andheri, observed a series of meaningful commemorations in January, honoring the birth anniversaries of great visionaries whose lives continue to inspire generations. Through thoughtfully planned activities across both the secondary and primary sections, the schools paid tribute to Savitribai Phule, Rajmata Jizabai, and Swami Vivekananda, highlighting enduring values such as youth empowerment, education, equality, courage, and character building. The school celebrated Balika Divas on 3rd January, marking the birth anniversary of Kranti Jyoti Savitribai Phule. The program aimed to promote girl-child empowerment and awareness of rights. Students paid tribute through role play, poetry, storytelling, and vibrant posters on the theme of girl empowerment, reflecting Savitribai Phule's pioneering legacy. Youth Day and Jizabai Jayanti were commemorated on 12th January with great enthusiasm. The celebrations began with a special morning assembly in which floral tributes were offered to the portraits of Swami Vivekananda and Rajmata Jizabai. A brief introduction emphasized the relevance of their ideals in contemporary times. Kavya Maski of Standard 6th A administered a pledge of encouraging students to focus on character building and maintain harmonious relationships. Kshitij Patkure of Standard 9th A delivered an inspiring speech on Swami Vivekananda's thoughts, motivating the students to believe in their inner strength and contribute positively to the society. The celebrations continued with student-led activities that reinforced these ideals. Students of Standard 8th presented the Tree of Kindness activity, spreading messages of compassion and service, while Standard 9th students showcased the Our Rays of Dreams and Goals activity, encouraging their peers to set meaningful aspirations. Creative quotations and displays on the notice boards added color and depth to the celebrations, conveying the powerful message that strong nations are built by enlightened guidance and an empowered youth. Together, these celebrations reinforce the belief that education, discipline, courage, and service form the foundation of a progressive society. By honoring these inspiring leaders, the schools reaffirmed their commitment to nurturing responsible, confident, and value driven citizens of tomorrow. Kites, colors, and culture mark Makar Sankranti at PTVA schools. The festival of Makar Sankranti was celebrated with great enthusiasm across PTVA schools, reflecting India's rich cultural diversity and the spirit of gratitude, positivity, and togetherness associated with this harvest festival. Through a variety of informative, creative, and engaging activities, students gained a deeper understanding of the festival's significance while joyfully participating in its vibrant traditions. At PTV English Medium School, primary section, the celebration began with a speech by teacher Miss Komal, who explained the importance of Makar Sankranti and its cultural relevance. Students of Standard 4th, including Vihan Sawant, Zui Patil, and Trisha Kokre, spoke confidently about the significance of the festival, safety precautions to be followed during kite flying, and the various ways Makar Sankranti is celebrated across different states of India. Adding color to the event, Ananya Bobate of Standard 2B, Sanvi Gaurav of Standard 2D, and Avni Deshmukh of Standard 3D came dressed in a traditional attire representing different states, highlighting India's unity in diversity. PTV English Medium School secondary section focused on the scientific, cultural, and spiritual aspects of the festival. Students learned that Makar Sankranti marks the sun's northward journey, Uttarayan, and its transition from Sagittarius, Dhanu, to Capricorn, Makar, symbolizing a shift from darkness to light and a positive change. The festival's association with harvest season and the expression of gratitude to Surya for abundance and prosperity were also highlighted. Special emphasis was laid on the Maharashtrian tradition of exchanging tilgul, conveying the message Tilgul Ghya, God God Bola, promoting harmony and sweetness in relationships. The cultural and health benefits of sesame seeds and jaggery, as well as the joy of kite flying, were explained in detail. At PTV ICSC primary section, the festive spirit was celebrated through a kite decoration competition organized for students of grades 1 and 2. The activity helped encourage creativity and help students understand the cultural significance of the festival while enhancing their fine motor skills, patience, and aesthetic sense. The colorful, imaginative kites filled the classrooms with joy and excitement. Similarly, the students of PTV ICSE secondary section, grades 6th and 7th, enjoyed making kites using materials such as newspaper, bamboo sticks, and colorful paper. The activity fostered creativity, shape recognition, and fine motor skills while deepening the understanding of the festival's cultural importance. The celebrations across PTVA schools beautifully blended tradition, learning, creativity, and reinforcing the message of positivity, balance, and togetherness that Makar Sankranti represents. Through these activities, students not only celebrated a festival but also imbibed values that strengthened cultural awareness and social harmony.
Now it is time to congratulate our teachers for their outstanding achievements. We are delighted to share that Mr. Prasad Gaonkar, Assistant Teacher, Palatilak Vidyalaya ICSE, has been conferred the PhD degree by the University of Mumbai at the university's annual convocation 2026, held on January 17, 2026, at the Sir Kawasji Jehangir Convocation Hall, Mumbai. Title of PhD thesis: Effect of Resistance Training and Plyometric Training on Motor Fitness Components and Selected Skill Abilities of Male Volleyball Players of Mumbai. This remarkable achievement reflects his dedication to research, academic excellence, and contribution to the field of sports, science, and physical education. Heartiest congratulations to Prasad sir on this well-deserved honor.
राज्यस्तरीय कथालेखन स्पर्धेतील यश. पार्लेटेक विद्यालय प्राथमिक मराठी शाळेतील शिक्षक श्री G.S. सुळे यांनी लिहिलेल्या माणुसकीची पेटी या काल्पनिक कथेला राज्यस्तरीय साहित्य स्पर्धेत सुरुवातीला URC स्तरावर प्रथम क्रमांक मिळाला. त्यानंतर मुंबई विभागातील अनेक दिग्गज लेखकांच्या कथांमधून या कथेने चौथा क्रमांक पटकावला आहे. या कथेला मिळालेला हा सन्मान म्हणजे आमच्या शाळेच्या शिरपेचातील मानाचा तुरा आहे, अशा शब्दात मुख्याध्यापिका श्रीमती जोशीबाई यांनी त्यांचे कौतुक केले. या प्रसंगी शालेय व्यवस्थापन समिती, शिक्षक वृंद आणि पालकांनीही श्री सुळे यांच्यावर अभिनंदनाचा वर्षाव केला.
20 आणि 21 जानेवारीला झालेल्या झोनल पातळीच्या विज्ञान प्रदर्शनामध्ये पार्लेट मराठी माध्यम शाळेच्या माध्यमिक विभागातील प्रयोगशाळा सहाय्यक श्री रोहन विजय कांबळे यांच्या प्रकल्पाला 3ऱ्या क्रमांकाचे बक्षीस मिळाले.
Every year on Republic Day, Government of India confers its prestigious civilian awards like the Padma Puraskar. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of Indian government.
पार्ले टिळक विद्यालय मराठी शाळेच्या प्राथमिक विभागाने भारताचा सर्वोच्च नागरी सन्मान भारतरत्न पुरस्काराबद्दल माहिती दिली आहे. भारताचा सर्वोच्च नागरी सन्मान म्हणजे भारतरत्न पुरस्कार. देशासाठी सर्वोच्च प्रतीचे काम करणाऱ्या व्यक्तींना हा पुरस्कार दिला जातो. सेवा, कला, साहित्य, विज्ञान, विश्वशांती, मानव विकास, कारखानदारी इत्यादी क्षेत्रातील लोकांना हा पुरस्कार दिला जातो. भारतरत्न पुरस्काराची सुरुवात 2 जानेवारी 1954 साली तत्कालीन राष्ट्रपती डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद यांनी केली. विविध क्षेत्रातील राष्ट्रीय सेवा आणि त्याचे उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन याकरिता हा सन्मान दिला जाऊ लागला. एका वर्षी जास्तीत जास्त 3 व्यक्तींना हा पुरस्कार दिला जाऊ शकतो. आतापर्यंत 53 व्यक्तींना भारतरत्न पुरस्कार मिळाला आहे. महाराष्ट्रातील भारतरत्न पुरस्कार विजेते व्यक्तींची नावे ही आहेत. धोंडो केशव कर्वे 1958 शिक्षण तज्ज्ञ, डॉक्टर पांडुरंग वामन काणे 1963 विद्वान आणि लेखक, आचार्य विनोबा भावे 1983 समाजसेवक, डॉक्टर भीमराव रामजी आंबेडकर 1990 समाजसेवक आणि अर्थशास्त्रज्ञ, GRD टाटा 1992 उद्योगपती, लता मंगेशकर 2001 पार्श्वगायिका, उस्ताद बिस्मिल्ला खान 2001 शहनाई वादक, पंडित भीमसेन जोशी 2009 हिंदुस्थानी शास्त्रीय गायक, सचिन तेंडुलकर 2014 क्रिकेटपटू, नानाजी देशमुख 2019 समाजसेवक. पुरस्काराचे स्वरूप. भारतरत्न पुरस्काराचे स्वरूप एका पदकाचे असते. पदकावर भारतरत्न लिहिलेले असते. पुरस्कार विजेत्यांना प्रमाणपत्र आणि मेडल प्रदान केले जाते. 26 जानेवारीच्या निमित्ताने पार्ले टिळक विद्यालय प्राथमिक मराठी शाळेच्या मुलांनी या 53 भारतरत्नांची ओळख करून घेतली.
वंदे मातरम या राष्ट्रीय गीतास 150 वर्ष पूर्ण झाल्याच्या निमित्ताने पार्ले टिळक विद्यालय असोसिएशनच्या वतीने गीत वंदे मातरम या कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते. 12 जानेवारीला विवेकानंद जयंती आणि राजमाता जिजाऊ साहेब जयंतीचा योग साधून संध्याकाळी पार्ले टिळक विद्यालय मराठी शाळेच्या प्रांगणात समूह गीतांचा भव्य कार्यक्रम सादर करण्यात आला. पार्ले टिळक विद्यालय संस्थेच्या 7 शाळा आणि 3 महाविद्यालयांनी प्रत्येकी 1 याप्रमाणे 10 समूह गीते सादर केली. वंदे मातरम विविध चालीत आणि विविध गीतांमध्ये कसे वापरले आहे असे याचे अत्यंत सुश्राव्य सादरीकरण विद्यार्थ्यांनी विविध समूह गीतांच्या माध्यमातून केले. सुमारे 160हून अधिक विद्यार्थी गायक कलाकार यात सहभागी झाले होते. त्यांना संगीत शिक्षकांनी प्रचंड मेहनत घेऊन मार्गदर्शन केले. अंगावर रोमांच उठविणारी स्फूर्तिदायी गीते आणि वंदे मातरमच्या रोमहर्षक घोषणेने सारा आसमंत दुमदुमून गेला होता. कार्यक्रमास वंदे मातरमचे अभ्यासक आणि ग्रंथलेखक श्री मिलिंद सबनीस प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून उपस्थित होते. त्यांनी त्यांच्याकडील दुर्मिळ चित्रफिती यावेळी दाखविल्या आणि वंदे मातरम गीताची जन्मकथा आणि इतिहास अतिशय रसाळ पद्धतीने कथन केला. कार्यक्रमाचे प्रास्ताविक साठे महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य डॉक्टर माधव राजवाडे यांनी केले, तर संहिता लेखन व निवेदन पाटीवी इंग्रजी शाळेतील शिक्षिका विज्ञापना गोकर्णकर आणि सुप्रसिद्ध निवेदक आणि पाटीवीच्या मुलुंड कॉलेजमधील ग्रंथपाल अमेय रानाडे यांनी केले. या कार्यक्रमाला पाटीवीच्या महाविद्यालय आणि शाळांचे सर्व शिक्षक कर्मचारी आणि काही निवडक विद्यार्थी असे 3,500हून अधिक प्रेक्षक उपस्थित होते. या कार्यक्रमाची संकल्पना आणि संयोजन संस्थेच्या मुख्य शैक्षणिक आणि व्यवस्थापकीय अधिकारी श्रीमती जान्हवी खांडेकर यांचे होते. त्यांना संस्थेचे सहकार्यवाह श्री हेमंत भाटवळेकर यांचे मार्गदर्शन लाभले. विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये राष्ट्र तेज जागृत करण्यासाठी आयोजित केलेल्या या अभिनव उपक्रमाबद्दल शिक्षक व पालकांनी पार्ले टिळक विद्यालय संस्थेच्या संचालक मंडळाचे अभिनंदन केले आणि आभार मानले. वंदे मातरम. जय हिंद.
Our teachers not only teach in school, but they also keep on learning new skills. Miss Aarti Kalekar is the assistant teacher in PTVA's English Medium School, Andheri. She shares her experience as a student in a swimming class.
A teacher is someone standing confidently at the front, chalk in hand, wisdom in pocket, and advice ready for every situation. one fine day, I decided to become a student. Not in a classroom, but in a swimming pool. A very deep pool. Let me confess first, I have always loved looking at pool water. The blue, gentle ripples shining under sunlight. Beautiful. From the edge of the pool, water is art. But inside it, water suddenly becomes a question paper you didn't prepare for. Joining a swimming class felt brave until the instructor casually said, "Please jump in." Jump into water with depth? My brain immediately started calculating imaginary disasters. I was comfortable with 4 feet of water. Comfortable meaning my toes could still touch the ground and my confidence could breathe. But 16.5 feet, that felt less like swimming and more like a life decision. The first jump was dramatic. My heart raced faster than an Olympic swimmer. I jumped in, survived, and came back up, thinking, oh, I'm still alive. That was lesson number 1. Fear screams louder than reality. Day by day, depth by depth, the pool taught me patience. I learned freestyle, backstroke, and a few moves that looked nothing like strokes, but were definitely attempts. I swallowed water, splashed unnecessarily, and occasionally questioned all my life choices. But I also laughed a lot at myself. As a teacher, I always tell students, mistakes are part of learning. Now, I was the one making them, publicly in a swimsuit with goggles slightly fogged. Humbling? Yes. Educational? Absolutely. Slowly, fear loosened its grip. The deep end no longer looked like a monster. It became just water, supportive, not scary. I realized something powerful. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after you take the jump. By the end of the course, I wasn't just swimming. I was thinking, if I could overcome a fear that once made my knees weak, what else was I avoiding unnecessarily? The pool became a classroom, and I became the student who learned the most important lesson. Nothing is impossible if you are willing to start being scared and continue anyway. So, yes, teachers should sometimes become students, preferably in safe pools with lifeguards and maybe less dramatic inner monologues. Because learning, just like swimming, begins the moment you dare to enter the deep end. Here ends the Digital Darpan January edition. Let's meet again with fresh insights for Digital Darpan newsletter. Until next time, Namaskar.